Maybe it was a little sad to say goodbye to your physical body, but at least you still have your consciousness, mind, and your memories stored safely in the cloud. And in the virtual world, anything which has been once actual, bodily, and finite, can be replaced. However, are eternal youth and everlasting life all that it's made out to be? Or is there a dark side to cloud consciousness? The science of being able to digitize your brain and upload it into the cloud is extremely contentious and, finally, inconclusive. Some specialists say the technology won't ever exist, but others promise that we will get it by 2050. Actually, there's already a waitlist. An American startup called Nectomy asserts through a process called they can preserve both the outside and internal structure of your mind in perfect microscopic detail. They do this by replacing the blood flow in your brain with embalming chemicals, essentially turning your meaty processor into the suspended glass. And if you haven't already guessed it, you cannot survive this process, at least, not physically. In theory, you'll live forever, however, but that is only if Nectomy characters out how to upload your mind to the cloud, and then revive it. Let us assume that they do. Benjamin Franklin once wrote that, "In this world nothing can be said to be certain, except death and taxes." But it ends up, immortality may come at an even higher cost. Opting to be uploaded to the cloud may have some unforeseen consequences. Today, the cloud is really much only virtual storage. You pay a company a monthly fee to put away all of your family photographs so that their awkwardness it doesn't slow down your computer. But now we're talking about you, and all your unique characteristics, and special qualities, and all of the wonderful things you have to offer the earth, being uploaded to a host which likely isn't powered by a benevolent and somewhat scary-looking bearded guy in the sky. More probably, your heaven will be conducted by some tech giant, who'll have access to your life's worth of information, along with everyone else's. Your continuing presence are subscription-based, requiring you to pay for storage and maintenance on some high-tech servers. Your new home, and, I suppose your identity too, will look like this. Because this is really what the cloud is. It's basically a broad, interconnected network of warehouses, which are filled with hard drives, and spread across multiple locations for your data can be stored in several areas at once, just in case one of these warehouses were to go offline. So unless you're rich enough to construct your very own personal private network of hard drives, the word home office takes on a very dark significance. Would the company you subscribe to gain from their access to mind, memories, and talents? What stops you from being copied and coded as some AI? And, what when we have into androids or surrogacy? If tech advances to the point at which we can cheat death, why not cheat age or health? For the first time, you could have the body you always desired. But if you could not afford a top-of-the-line version, what might you be forced to settle for? But really, what's far more likely than you becoming an android, or getting your brain stored in the cloud, is having your brain saved in a box. Russian billionaire Dmitry Itskov is currently developing that which he calls a happiness box. It is basically a computer that may send senses to your mind, like your body does now. Actually, the pleasure box has been developed to change out your body. If you don't completely get it, consider the movie The Matrix. Maybe the nearest thing to immortality. So what exactly could you select? Right now, we don't need to worry about it. Without understanding if the technology will exist, or when it will become accessible, the essential question we ought to be asking ourselves is how to create the maximum of the limited time we have. Want some ideas? Come back soon for more Get Value. We hope you are learning something new every day from our videos. If you want us to cover a specific topic, let us know in the comments section below. We are doing our bit to spread awareness about the common health conditions and exciting topics. Do your part by sharing this video with your friends and social circle. Thank you. Get value by subscribing our Get Value channel. Thank you.